Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about how to avoid scammers on social media. Unless you've been living under a rock, you should be well aware that scammers are all over social media platforms. Doesn't matter if you're using LinkedIn, Facebook, X, or Twitter, Instagram, or even TikTok. There are scammers that are after your social media accounts and want to be able to trick you into falling for a variety of scams that are out there designed to get your money. So let's take a quick look at some of the scams that are going around and tips in order to help you stay safe from online scammers. Now, one of the first tricks and tips is romance scams. Now, romance scams are when criminals pretend that they're a potential mate and try to develop a relationship with you that is designed to trick you out of your money. Now, romance scammers utilize social engineering like a lot of the scams, which is when they pretend to be someone that is authentic, but the overall goal is to get your information. So beware of romance scams of anyone that you meet online. Make sure to take those interactions to real life interactions as quickly as possible and slow your roll, because romance takes a lot of time. And when you have someone online trying to get money out of you with sob stories and other unfortunate financial events that may occur, it can definitely leave you without any money. Next, especially on LinkedIn, scams that go around are the job posting scams. Let's say you're looking for a new job. You get on LinkedIn and you want to be able to talk to a potential recruiter. The way this scam works is someone comes to you with a promising job opportunity, and then they try to entice you by reserving a space for the job by paying money. Now, again, if you're applying for a job, it doesn't make any sense that a company is going to ask for your financial information in order to get started. Sometimes this works best if it's a virtual job where someone is offering to pay you via direct deposit. So again, check out the companies that are reaching out to you and the recruiters to verify that they are legitimate people that you're dealing with. Next scam are video game scams. Now, there are a lot of scams that can occur with video games, but online gaming scams are huge, whereas some of the advertisers in the online games are actually criminals who have taken up ads. So if you're playing a game and you get an odd request for money or a product ad that pops up, just ignore it. Kind of hard in the day of online gaming, as a lot of the features in games require payments. So again, beware and be careful when you're playing online games, because these scams are designed to take your money. Be sure to play reputable games and look at the reviews before downloading a game to your smart device to verify that someone has not posted a review saying that they were scammed. Next are charity scams. And charity scams are huge because there's a number of GoFundMe and other charitable organizations that are posting stuff online. When you're looking at charity scams, you want to verify that the charitable organization that is posting not the ask, but is asking for donations, make sure that they are a legitimate company. Beware of GoFundMe accounts that have been set up, and just do your homework before donating to a charity that could be a fraud. Next on our list are investment scams, namely crypto. A lot of people don't know about crypto, and it makes it an easy platform for criminals to utilize the social media platform to trick people into investing in cryptocurrency. Usually, scammers will reach out on social media, offer you, make an offer that's too good to be true in order to get you to invest in crypto. Bogus crypto, which is even worse. So if there's any investment scams, whether it be crypto or otherwise, make sure that you do your due diligence before you fall for a cryptocurrency scam. Next, sextortion scams that are targeting both adults and teens. Now, for adults, it normally will come across that a criminal may have captured your password on the dark web. They'll send you an email saying that they have access to your password and that they have caught you on your webcam doing unspeakable acts. In that case, they'll either demand crypto or real currency in order to keep them from sending said images and video to friends and family. Now, it's even worse for kids because criminals can actually trick kids into sending pornographic messages. These images or messages can be captured by a criminal posing as a luring teen, and the criminals will come back to the teen and say, "We have your nudes and other unspeakable videos. Pay us money or we'll share it with your friends and parents." Again, another scam that is preying and using social engineering in order to get access to your information. So beware, and always, if you have images that are inappropriate, never share them online because they never go away. Our next is the good old I can help you get access to your Facebook account after it's been locked. Now, criminals are pretty crafty with this. Let's say that you post a message on Facebook or Instagram or one of the other social media platforms saying, "Beware, don't accept any friend requests from me," or, "Oh my goodness, my Facebook account has been hacked." Now, criminals will post a message with a link to someone else who is claiming to be a social media account recoverer. And the whole purpose is for you to prepay for these services with the promise that this individual will actually get your Facebook account back. It's not always the case, or it's never the case, because if your social media accounts are hacked, they're normally gone forever. So protect your social media accounts and make sure that if your account has been hacked, you don't want to share it on your pages that your account's been hacked. You're going to attract more hackers who are going to steal more information from you. And even if your account's been cloned, share it with friends through Messenger. Don't ever post it on your wall, as criminals will post fake links for you to click on. Now, finally, a lot of these scams are ChatGPT and AI related, as criminals can use deep fakes, which is the retrieval or using stolen social media profile pictures to act like they are you or your friends, and voice cloning, which is the method of criminals stealing your voice and cloning it to make you say things that you haven't said. So when you're looking at your friends' social media accounts or other accounts, look at the account details. Usually more followers means that the account is legitimate. And another thing, look at the date on when the social media account was created. Usually 2008, 2009, and 2010 are when most people have created their social media accounts, and you can verify it's legitimate. So beware and make sure that you're not falling for some of these accounts that were created with AI and deepfakes. Now, how can you keep safe? There's several things that you can do in order to keep your account safe, and they are: number one, use two-factor authentication on all of your social media accounts. So most social media platforms, or I shouldn't say most, all, you can go into settings and privacy and turn on two-factor authentication. This method works because when a criminal tries to log into your online account, they will alert a message that will be sent to either your email or phone saying that someone unknown is logging into your account. If you get this, you can just know that a criminal has your password and change it, but without two-factor authentication, once a criminal gets your password, they can log in and claim your social media account for themselves. Next would be use passphrases and stop using passwords. Passwords are normally created by things you're sharing on social media, such as personal birth dates, anniversaries, kids' names, pets' name, you name it. Passwords are two unrelated words that create a secure password. If you need help, there's a website called usepassphrase.com that can help you come up with a strong and secure passphrase. Next, turn off your friend detection on your social media account. If your account is open to the whole world to just be able to Google and find you, it makes your social media accounts enticing to criminals who can look at your friend list, create a duplicate of your account, and then send your friends a welcome or an invitation message on social media. It's so hard to keep track because most of your social media platforms don't let you know when someone unfriends you. But if a criminal is aware of your friend list, then they can send your friends bogus requests with your bogus account. If you modify your social media accounts so that they're private or only your current friends can see who you're connected to, goes a long way in making your account safe from all of the scams out there. And then finally, let's talk about using a password manager that is going to allow you to keep all of your passwords safe and allows you to create different passwords for all of those online accounts. With a password manager or password vault, those passwords can be saved and then they will automatically log into your online accounts. Now, don't be afraid of using a password manager because you may have read about LastPass being hacked, but it was the programming code that was hacked for LastPass, not a bunch of passwords that were leaked onto the dark web. Passwords normally leak onto the dark web during large-scale data breaches where criminals trick unsuspecting people to share that information, which is then stored on the dark web. Password Keeper will also notify you if those passwords find their way onto the dark web, prompting you to change them if it is a commonly used password or a password that you use that's been leaked. So with that said, if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. So that way I don't think you saw that. Let's do it again. Below, so that you can find out what you can do in order to keep your social media account safe. And if there's a social media scam going on, message me with it. I can let you know if it's a legitimate one or not. Now, with every video, I always encourage you to get your friends to like, share, and comment on the video. I know you know people out there that are struggling with technology, and what better way than to share the videos from Burton Kelso, the technology expert, to help them get more from their tech. Now, my goal, again, or I shouldn't even say that. Let's just go out with the outro. So, guys, I love technology, and I've read all the manuals, and I'm serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone. So take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile, and thanks for watching.